What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Matt and I own a laser engraving business and I run this out of my garage. I've been doing it since 2015. Just currently moved up here. I started in my basement of the house. So if you think you can't do it, yes you can. Today I'm going to make a video on the UV Galvo laser running the Rotary tool. I figured it out with some help from a lot of you guys, but I got the figurations and stuff done for pint glasses, so I'm going to run through and do a pint glass to show you, or maybe in a whiskey glass. Let's see what we got. We're going to run a pint glass today. So you'll see I have on the end of all these chucks, there is a chunk of garden hose. I had an old hose and I just put it on the end of all those, and that's what I use, and it helps really good to hold the pint glass on there. So it's simple, an easy thing for anyone to do. Turn the laser on. Put the glasses on. Now if you're unfamiliar with UV, when it goes to pinpoint and you have your three dots, one of those dots is the UV. So now we're going to focus it. I got to go up quite a bit. And there we go. Now we're in focus. I already have this in line. I put a pipe in there. Line it up. Make a line on there, and we're good to go. So now we're good. Go to the computer, and I'm going to put something on here. And I don't want to show you my desk. It's a mess. I have everything set up and ready to go. I'm going to put up the setting window right here, and we're going to go into start engraving this and turn on the exhaust fan. Pew! Laser. So when you're setting this up, you don't want to go to the Rotary settings. You actually want to go to the start menu and then use that split size in setup rather than going to the Rotary. The Rotary changes everything else totally different. Go to the setup and put 0.04 in there. And then you can see all the other numbers and everything else I do. That's what's been working for me, so that's what I suggest to do. Also, some people like to run with the glass this way. I actually found to run hatch, so it does a better job and it's faster. I have the speed set at 600, frequency at 30, and Q pulse is at 1. I found running bidirectional and hatch works a lot better for me, so that's how I've been running them. They've been turning out great and it goes quick. Now I also was hit up on the comments that people are using different rotaries than this and they're using a roller system, so I'm curious on what else is out there because this is a stepping motor. So I was wondering if there was one out there that we work on this that was a constant feed, where the stepping motor just turns and then engraves, turns, engraves, turns, engraves. So I'm wondering if there's something that's just constant where this just keeps engraving. That would be perfect and ideal, and that's what I'm looking for. Just doing some more research. So if you know of one, put it in the comments and let me know, please. Thank you. Now this has been a game changer. It has really helped. There is, you can see it a tad bit. You can see the lines going back and forth. If I pick it up on camera, but you can barely see them. Like when you just look at it, you can't really tell until you really study it. But the one thing about I like the UV is there's no cleanup. You're good, and it just looks so dang good. So I've been playing around with that, and I've been shipping out a lot this way, and the customers like it. So I'm not too worried about it yet, but I'm still trying to finesse it and try to figure out that sweet spot, because I would think I can get rid of these lines and make it even better yet. But for now, it looks pretty snazzy. I like it, and it's been great. So we do like a lot of flat glass also for other companies, and that's been awesome because then I don't use the Rotary. I just set it down, I make a jig, set it in there, and I just pound it all out right away, and it takes seconds. Now you're probably asking, what is that next to it? This one. I gotta do a video on that. Maybe I'll do it today. I've got another toy that I'm playing with over there, and yes, I have that. I haven't got to it yet. I honestly, guys, I've had this like last 2 months mapped out with all the videos and stuff I was gonna do, and it all had to get pushed aside. My business is doing very well, and I'm very blessed, and I'm too blessed to be stressed. Let's put it that way. So I've been just riding along and getting everything done as much as I can, and sneaking in a video here and there. So we've been busy, and I'm really grateful for it, and I hope you guys are too. Everyone can. There's plenty of business out there. Just have to want to do it and dig down and get it. It is so worth it. It is 100% so worth it. And you guys, this thing right here has made the money. I really can't explain how beneficial this has been for my business, because when people walk in and they're getting their cups done, stainless, their cut products, whatever, and I hand them a hat. Oh, I got my hat on. When I hand them one of my business hats, if they are getting something embroidered, I hand them a mug, a stainless mug, or I'll do glass if I don't have any stainless, but haven't done that yet. Just stainless. But they play off each other. Now, I already had a customer base coming here, so when I added that, it just blew up. And now that I have the UV figured out with the glass, I have been getting more, and I'm bidding on stuff for other breweries, our local breweries. And I'm really excited for that, because I can do stuff a lot faster than, let's say, in a gantry welder, a gantry laser. So you can do it a lot faster with the Galvos, and that's why I do a lot of my stuff through the Galvos now. It's just so much faster. Those settings should help you with the UV Galvo. That's only a 3 watt. And you guys, they're also running a sale. I'll have a link in the description. They said they're gonna run it until the end of March, and I don't really know how much it is off, but they said they're the biggest deal they've ever put on there. So go check it out. If you guys are interested in buying one, use the link. You can if you want. They made a special link they gave for me to use that only for my viewers. It's that price until the end of the month. So check it out if you want, if you're interested in this UV fan cooled laser. Not a chiller. It does not have a chiller. That's what I like about it, because as you can tell, I don't have much space left. So glad you guys see me again. Bye.